Hi everyone, welcome to another recipe. So this is some chicken shreds with a lot of veggies in it mixed. Also to add to it a lot of flavor and a lot of spices being used. Since we Indians like a lot of spices and a lot of flavor, this is really a tasty recipe. And this is a recipe of mine. I don't know what do I name it. I think I'll call it chicken veggie masala. So this is like a multi-purpose thing that I prepare this dish, and I use it for a lot of recipes, a lot of dishes. Like you can use it for egg roll as a filling. You can use it for an omelette. Also you can add it to some salads that you prepare, and you can make so many variations. You can also use it to make some chicken momos by using a covering of cabbage. So you can have so many variety of dishes being prepared by just using this filling of chicken masala veggies. So let's get started with this recipe. You'll require some boneless chicken. So switch on the gas and place a vessel on it. Add the chicken into it and add some water. Add a sufficient quantity of water so that it covers the chicken completely and the chicken can cook well. After which we are going to add some salt as per your taste. We are going to add some turmeric powder, some ginger garlic paste, and some pepper powder, and also some garam masala. So all the measurements of the ingredients and all the ingredients, everything is mentioned down in the description box, so you can refer to that. So I'm going to add some dry fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, some herbs to add to the flavor of this dish, and keep it on high flame and cover it with a lid and let it cook for almost 20 minutes to half an hour. So in between you could just open the lid and have a check to check whether the quantity of the water has decreased. So add a sufficient quantity of water and just keep having a look after 10 to 15 minutes. So once it's done, just let it cool down for some time, and we're going to separate the chicken from the broth and just shred this chicken with the help of a knife. You can also use these shreds and keep it in a container and keep it in the deep fridge and use it whenever required. So now we'll get to the seasoning of this. Add some ghee and add coconut oil. So let this heat for quite some time. Once it's hot, we're going to add some onions. And let it saute for some time. Meanwhile, add some tomatoes in this, finely chopped, and mix it. After which you're going to add some ginger garlic paste and saute it for some time. Let it cook well, let it braise with the oil and let it become into a nice good mix, so that this raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste should go. So after which you're going to add some capsicum finely chopped and mix it for some time. Add some finely chopped cabbage. So add some red chilli powder. So the quantity would vary as per your taste. You can also skip adding the red chilli powder and just add some pepper powder. But if you like it spicy, you can include this. So after the red chilli powder, I'm adding some garam masala in this and mix it well. And add the broth of the chicken, because that's where the flavor of the chicken lies. Cover it and let it cook for some time. After it's cooked sufficiently, we're going to add the chicken shreds. And give it a nice good mix. Also, we are going to add some mushrooms. Mushrooms will add to the flavor of this dish, and this makes a complete veggie masala, chicken veggie masala. Broth to make it little moist and tasty. Includes a variety of veggies like capsicum, onions, tomatoes, cabbage, and also some mushrooms, adding to a combined flavor. I love this chicken masala veggie mix because it can be used for so many variety of dishes. You can make chicken egg roll, you can make omelette, you can make chicken momos with this, and also you can add it to some salad. So you can have so many variations of this. So definitely try out this dish of mine, and I'm sure you'll enjoy and love it. So subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated for more such interesting recipes to come up. Bye bye.